Hey guys, I'm Johnny, owner of Blades of Grass Lawn Care. I have a quick question for you. I've just purchased a couple of brand new blades for my mowers and wanted to know, because I've seen this on a couple of YouTubers that own lawn care services, and the question is, do you sharpen your brand spanking new out the box lawnmower blades? Is there a reason for you to sharpen them? If you do, put it below. Let me know. I personally don't sharpen my brand spanking new blades because if you look at them, to me, get this one, it's pretty sharp enough to me. But this is where we come as a community and we learn from each other, right? Let me know. Do you sharpen your blades? And if you do, why? What is the purpose of you sharpening your lawnmower blades when they're brand spanking new? And if you don't, let me know also. Let me know in the description. How come you don't sharpen them? Again, my view on it is it has a pretty good, it's sharp enough to me. And so you know, I sharpen my blades every 3 to 4 days anyway, so these will be coming off and most likely getting sharpened within the next couple of days. Okay, yes, if this is your first time on this channel, guys, hit the subscribe button. And what I usually do is we talk about everything lawn care. If you're trying to build a lawn care business part-time or full-time, if you know, tips, tricks, all that good stuff. And I try to, once a week now, I have a Q&A, which I will be conducting. So if you have any questions, leave them in the description below and check us out. All right, again, do you sharpen your brand spanking new blades? Yes or no? If so, why? And then guys, come back at a later date once you've watched this video and read the description so you can learn from other professionals, okay? Because again, this is a channel where we all share knowledge, okay? All right, guys, have a great week. Drink a lot of water. It's still warm out there, especially in my area. I don't know about your area. We're still mowing grass. Pop smoke. Peace.